This is verse 4 of the 20th chapter of the Gospel of John. We have the immediate impact of the disciples learning that the tomb is empty. Mary Magdalene has conveyed that information to them, and so both John and Peter now are going to head rapidly to the tomb. So that's what we have here in verse 4. Etrekon, this is from treko, I run. This is the third person plural, imperfect active indicative. So they were running would be the idea. Postpositive de. So hoi, the duo, the number for, or the word for two, it's an adjective. So the two were running, referring to Peter and John. Homu is a indeclinable adverb. It means together. So they were both running together. And then John inserts this very interesting little side comment, kai, the connective, hoi, allos, the other. Allos is a pronoun, so it the other one, demonstrative pronoun, so the other, then mathetes, the other disciple, referring to John, presumably, proedramen. This is from protreko. It's formed somewhat irregularly, but it's simply the third person singular, aorist active indicative. So the pro in the beginning here means outran or ran before would be the idea. And then tachyon, quickly. We have words like tachycardia. Those kinds of words come from this Greek word. And so that the other disciple quickly outran, takes the genitive to Petro, outran Peter. Kai eilthen. Eilthen is from erchomai, I come or I go, third person singular, aorist active indicative, and he came. Protos. Protos is an adjective, came first. So he came first. Eis to nemeon, to the tomb. So John simply inserting here an interesting little side comment, probably younger, a little more youthful, a little more alacrity, and so he is able to outrun Peter. He arrives first at the tomb, but as we're going to learn, he's a little bit reticent to barge right into that sacred space, and so he waits just looking from the outside, and the narrative will pick up from there.